So guys, to make this I'm using my large cast iron wok, which was sent to me from Lodge, so thank you Lodge. And to that I'm going in on a medium heat with a little bit of oil. Now you don't want your oil to get really hot, so before it does I'm going to go in with some garlic and some ginger. We're going to create our sauce in this wok, so you don't want your heat to be too high. Next I'm going to go in with some tomato paste, and this is what's going to give our sweet and sour sauce its color. I'm going to go in with some water to actually create the sauce. I'm going in with some sweet chili sauce for my sweet element. If you wanted to add sugar as your sweet element, you can. I find that chili sauce is sweet and it has that chili flavor to it, so hence the reason why I'm using that. And I'm also going to go in with my sour element, which is my white distilled vinegar, and just give that a mix. You see that beautiful red color it has, that sweet and sour sauce color? That's what you want, and that tomato paste really does help. So I'm going to add some salt to taste now. Make sure and adjust your salt accordingly to how much salt you eat, guys. Everyone eats different amounts. I just want this to simmer here for like about a minute. So guys, once you allow this to cook for about a minute, your sweet and sour sauce is now ready to be used. You can add fried fish, you can add shrimp, you can add whatever protein you like, even tofu or soya if you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this easy recipe for sweet and sour sauce. Make it, let me know what you think. If you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.